Hey you guys! I'm so excited to share with you the incredible power of smoothies today. Trust me, these blended beauties are about to revolutionize your health, energy, and overall well-being. Are you ready to discover how smoothies can be the game changer you've been searching for? Let's do this. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to whip up your own delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies. So grab your blenders and let's get started on this amazing smoothie journey together. Okay, so let's talk about how smoothies can supercharge your immune system and improve your digestion. You guys, when you blend up those fruits and veggies, you're basically creating a nutrient powerhouse. And don't even get me started on digestion. The fiber in smoothies is like a magic broom for your gut. It sweeps through, keeping everything moving and grooving. Plus, when you drink a smoothie, it's so much easier for your body to absorb all those amazing nutrients. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the world. Now let's talk about how smoothies can be your secret weapon for weight loss and workout energy. You can totally customize your smoothies to fit your calorie and nutrient needs. And for all my fitness lovers out there, smoothies are like rocket fuel for your workouts. You can customize them to give you exactly what you need, whether it's a pre-workout energy boost or a post-workout recovery drink. Trust me, once you start fueling your body with the right smoothies, you'll feel more vibrant and alive than ever before. Alright, are you ready for some smoothie secrets? First things first, let's talk about how to make smoothies a part of your daily routine. It's actually super easy. Just prep your ingredients the night before, so in the morning you can just throw everything in the blender and go. Now let me share some tips to avoid common smoothie mistakes. Don't go overboard with fruit. Too much can spike your blood sugar. Instead, aim for a balance of fruits, veggies, and protein. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Freeze your fruits and veggies for an extra creamy texture without adding ice. Trust me, it's a game changer. And don't forget to experiment with different ingredients. Try adding some ginger for a zing, or a handful of mint for a refreshing twist. Okay, you guys, now you know all about the amazing benefits of smoothies. Are you ready to start blending your way to a healthier, happier you? I can't wait to hear about how smoothies change your life too. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and having fun with it. Don't be afraid to try new combinations and make your smoothies as unique as you are. If you loved this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome health tips, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the smoothie love and create a community of healthy, energized smoothie enthusiasts.